Hello students, good morning. See, in previous video we have seen the concept. What concept? Acceleration. See, what is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but there is a change in velocity with respect to time, and this concept is we have already seen. Also we have seen what are the units for the acceleration, what are the formula, which formula is used for the acceleration. See, acceleration is nothing but the change in velocity with respect to time. We are learning your topic laws of motion. See, in previous video we have seen the information about acceleration, and right now I have told you the definition of acceleration. What is acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but change in a velocity with respect to time. See, this is called as acceleration. Change in a velocity with respect to time or with time is known as acceleration. This concept we have seen in a previous video. In this video, we are going to learn about the various types of acceleration. See, there are mainly 5 types of acceleration. Which are that 5 types of acceleration? That are nothing but first one is the uniform acceleration. Second one is the non-uniform acceleration. Third one is the positive acceleration. Fourth one is the negative acceleration. And fifth one is the zero acceleration. The fifth type of acceleration is zero acceleration. See, these types we are learning in this video. See, there are mainly 5 types: uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration, positive acceleration and negative acceleration, and fifth one is the zero acceleration. See, we are learning one by one the types of acceleration. First one is the uniform acceleration. The word is related with the uniform motion. If you recall previous video lectures, see, what is uniform motion? When an object changes its place in equal time interval and equal distance. When object changes its place in equal time interval and equal distance, that is known as uniform motion. And when there is a equal time interval but object changes its place with a unequal distance, that is known as non-uniform motion. These two concepts means uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration also related with that word. See, what is definition of our acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but, I write here the definition of acceleration. Based on that definition, we are learning the various types of acceleration. Definition: change in velocity with respect to time. Change in velocity with respect to time, or we can write here with time only. Okay. Now, the first type is the uniform acceleration. See, uniform. What type of acceleration here? Uniform. So, here we can write, or we can say the definition of uniform acceleration is change in velocity with time. That is nothing but the acceleration. Uniform acceleration is nothing but the change in a velocity, the change in velocity equally in equal time. Change in velocity equally in equal time interval, that is nothing but the uniform acceleration. See what I say here? What is the definition? Change in a velocity. In this concept of acceleration, there are mainly two important words. Which are that two important words? First is the velocity and second one is the time. See, the change in velocity equally in equal time interval, that is nothing but the uniform acceleration. Then what are the examples of uniform acceleration? See, a free falling body, okay, on the earth, it is the example of uniform acceleration. Free falling body, or you can say a child moving from a slide, okay, there is a velocity change equally with equal time, therefore we can write also the example number second is child moving down from the slide, okay. This is the first type, uniform acceleration. Second one is the non-uniform acceleration. See, in uniform acceleration, what we write here, what I write here, the change in velocity equally in equal time interval. So here is the change in velocity, the change in velocity unequally in equal time interval. Equal time interval is known as non-uniform acceleration. Is known as non-uniform acceleration. See, what is the example of non-uniform acceleration? See, a car moving in a crowded area. See, there is a time interval equal, but the velocity of that car is not equal. The velocity changes unequally. Therefore, we can write here the example of the car moving in a crowded area. This is two types of acceleration. First one is the uniform acceleration and second one is the non-uniform acceleration. See, uniform acceleration means there is a change in velocity equally in equal time interval, and in case of non-uniform motion there is a change in velocity unequally in a equal time interval. Now the remaining types is type number 3 is the positive acceleration. See, what is the definition of acceleration? Change in velocity with respect to time. See, here is the positive acceleration. So we can write the definition of positive acceleration is if the velocity of an object velocity of an object increases with respect to time or with time is known as positive acceleration. See, for example, a pushing cart, a fruit seller moving down from a road, that is nothing but the positive acceleration. Velocity increases with their speed, okay. If the velocity of an object increases with time, then that type of acceleration is known as positive acceleration. What is the example? Pushing a cart, okay. Then type number 4, negative acceleration. Negative acceleration. There is a changes in only two words, students. In which two words? First one is the velocity and second one is the time. Okay, velocity either increases or decreases with respect to time, because acceleration is nothing but there is a change in velocity with respect to time. See, what is the negative acceleration? The definition of negative acceleration is opposite to positive acceleration. See, if the velocity of an object decreases with respect to time or with time is known as negative acceleration. Is known as negative acceleration. See, velocity, what do we want? Velocity decrease. Okay, here is the pushing a cart. Opposite that, here is the example, pulling a cart. This is known as negative acceleration. This negative acceleration is also known as deceleration. This is also known as deceleration, or it is also known as retardation. It is also known as retardation. See, type number 5 and the last type is the zero acceleration. See, zero acceleration. In positive acceleration, velocity increases with time. In negative acceleration, velocity decreases with time. And in case of zero acceleration, if the velocity of an object does not increases or decreases, it remains same. If the velocity of an object remains same, then remains same with respect to time or with the time, that acceleration is known as zero acceleration. Zero acceleration. There is no change in velocity, not decreases or not increases, remains same. See, in this video we are learned 5 types of acceleration. First one is the uniform acceleration. It means nothing but velocity of object changes equally in equal time interval. Second one is the non-uniform acceleration. Velocity of object changes unequally with equal time interval. Third one is the positive acceleration. Velocity of object increases with time. Fourth one is the negative acceleration. Velocity of object decreases with respect to time. And fifth one is the zero acceleration. It is nothing but when the velocity of object remains same with respect to time, it does not change. That type of acceleration is known as zero acceleration. See, remaining part we will see in the next video. Thank you.